Hello everyone, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we are going to talk about a process through which we can accept the payment using PayPal application. Prior to this session, we have already covered two sessions where we discussed how to set up the PayPal account and how to send the money to a recipient or to another person using PayPal application. So in this session, we are just going to continue the process and we are going to learn another way through which we can receive the payment from third party. Okay, so here what we are going to do, like you can see, I have just searched for the PayPal on the Google and then it will show me this screen. From here, you can simply click on the first link and it will take you to the main screen of PayPal application. Now here we have various options, like you can simply scroll it down to explore other things as well, but for now we are just going to select this option, which is login, because sign up operation we have already completed in our one of our last session. So here I'm just directly clicking on the login option. Okay, now on this login option, when you click on login, it will automatically populate your email or maybe the mobile number that you were using previously. Okay, so right now it is taking my email address automatically. After that, what you can do, you are supposed to provide the password here. Okay, email ID is already populated. If it is not, then you can simply put your email ID or mobile number which is already registered. If you don't know how to do the sign up, please go and check out the previous session. There we have already discussed it. Okay, now we are supposed to provide the password. So to provide the password, I will simply write my password here in this box. Okay, so I just put my password here and then you can simply click on login. Okay, but in case if you forgot your password, then there is one more option for reset password. So you can simply click on this reset forgotten password and it will provide you the way through which we can do the password reset. Okay, but in case if let's say if your account is not created, then you can directly go from here as well. Like you can say, click on the sign up process and then it will take you to the sign up screen, and there you can perform all those steps that we have already discussed in uh, sign up operation when we discussed in the session, right? But for now I know the password, so I can simply go and click on this login button and it will take me to this main screen of the PayPal account. Now this notification you are seeing because I have not set up my account with any of the bank card or an account. Okay, that's why it is showing with this, but no problem. Like I you can set up it once you are ready to perform the transactions. Okay, but for now we are just focusing on how we can get the paid. So you can see there is one option for send payment which we discussed in last session. Another one is request payment. So when you want to request some payment from a user, what you can do, you can see this option, get paid for selling something or for the work you did. So here what we can do, we can simply click on this request payment button. Then it will take you to this screen where we have various options like create an invoice, but this is, if you click on this, it will show you one notification that upgrade to a PayPal business account. To receive payments, we need some information to upgrade your account. This is your security, and this is for your security and to comply with the Indian regulations. Okay, so if you want to upgrade it, you can simply click on this button and it will provide you the way to upgrade your PayPal account to business account. Okay, otherwise you can simply click on cancel and it will take you to the last screen again, and from here we will select again the option for request payment. The second option is create a personal profile. This is very important, this is very useful. Why? Because when you are asking someone to pay you for the work you did or for the services you provided, so in that case there should be some verification process, right? There should be something through which the other person can identify, yes, this is the exact profile for which I want to pay the amount. Okay, so create an profile. You can simply click on this icon. It will take you to the page here where it is showing help people know it's you they are paying. Okay, with a photo, unique link, people can see you have a PayPal account. So to do this, what you can do, you can simply click on this create paypal.me profile. Then it will ask you for the image. So you can upload your profile. Okay, it's quite simple. You just need to click on this add photo, and then from your system you can select any profile picture which you want to use, and then it's done. Okay, but if you don't want to set up your profile picture for now, let's click on not now. Then it will ask you for the your link, okay, which you can say the unique link which others can search in order to pay you. So here create a memorable link and share it to get paid. Okay, so you can create, for example, if Ram wants to create its personal link, so what he can do, he can simply put, firstly he can try with Ram, but it is showing that's taken already, and also it is suggesting some link here, right? Ram 799373, Amit Sharma 5666, right? So instead of that, if you want to go with some other name, for example 2121, so let's check. Oh, it is also taken, so maybe we can check with 2120. Yes, it is available. Okay, so if the number, if the unique profile, because it is unique, right? So it should be not be matched with some other user. Otherwise, what will happen if someone pay you? It will go to other account. But with PayPal, no, there is no chance of wrong transaction, because they are separating everything with a unique ID. And you can see here RAM 2120 is ready and it is available. Then you can simply click on this next button and it will ask for the agreement. So here you can see that profile name is showing, a personal link is showing, and then you can simply review your profile and then just click on this I agree button, and then you can create on agree and create. So once you click on agree and create, it will create your personal profile. Okay, fine. So I think this process is clear. Now we will see the next thing. I'll just go back to the main screen. So we are in a request tab. Here you can see we have explored these two options. Now you just read it, what is written over here. Request payment from anyone. So you can request multiple payment from up to 20 people. Okay, so at one go we can request money from 20 people at maximum. So let's say I want to receive some money from Alex. So I can simply write here Alex. Then you can see it, there's a list of users, and the profile which we just created is shown like something like this. Here you can see the Alex ND627. So likewise we have already the process we just discussed is to create the profile. Okay, so let's say I want to accept the money, I want to request the money from Alex ND. So I can click on here. If you want to add more persons you can add, but for now let's go with Alex ND only. Then you can click on next button and then it will ask you for the amount. So let's say I want to go with a for example $1, or maybe we can change it to $5, I guess. $5 or $50. Let's say I want to request for $50, so I can simply select it here 50. And if you want to add someone else as well, so you can click here as well, like there is one more option to select here. Otherwise you can simply put what's this for, which is the reason for sending that. So maybe you can make it as fees, or maybe you can say maybe donation or something, whatever you want to. For example, let's say fee, let's go with the fees. Okay, so I'll just mark it as fees. Then you can simply click on request payment. The moment when you click on request payment, right now it is showing there is a problem with your account, please visit our help center so we can help you resolve this quickly. Okay, so they are also providing the help and support whenever it is needed. But right now I know why this problem is happening, because I have not set up my account yet. But in case if you have set up, you are ready with your account setup, and then you if try and if then you try to request the payment, it will allow you and it will provide you the way to accept the amount. Okay, so for setup, like we already discussed in the last session, how we can set up the account for receiving the payment and for sending the payment. So same procedure you can follow here as well to receive the payment. Clear? So I think now this process is at least you know like how we can, there are what are the options to receive the payment, how we can use, and these are the website thing, right? We have application as well. Okay, we have that application as well through which you can simply accept the payment, right? but for now we are just checking the web portal through which we can perform the operations. Okay, so now another very important thing I want to mention, like these are all financial things, so make sure that you are doing it properly. It's your responsibility how you are sending and receiving the money. We are just providing the educational lessons, but if you really want to accept or send money, then only you can do these options, because everything would be your responsibility. Clear? So yeah, that's all for today. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.